Hey everyone, I'm Ed, founder and host of IrixGuy's Adventure Channel. That's youtube.com/IrixGuy. So if you haven't already subscribed, be sure to do so, and also ring that bell icon to be notified whenever I post another video. And a lot of viewers have asked, hey man, how do I start a YouTube channel? Or hey, you've got a somewhat large YouTube channel. How can I get started? How did you do that? How do you do this? So many questions. So what I've decided to do is create a social media workshop. So this is just the introductory video, but this playlist where you see this video is where I will put all the videos. So the workshops are going to be live YouTube events, meaning that you can watch in real time. You can ask questions in real time, just type them within the video's comments, and I have the opportunity to respond face on video. Now I will have a somewhat structured agenda for each workshop because I want to start with the basics, and then from the basics, segue into the more advanced topics. And obviously a major component of all these workshops will be your questions. So if I'm unable to answer your question during that live show, it may be such a great question that it becomes part of a future workshop. So again, subscribe to my channel, ring that bell icon, and follow this playlist to stay up to date with all of the previously recorded and upcoming workshops as well. It's going to be a lot of fun. I'm excited. And just to give you a quick background, so I became involved with YouTube many years ago by mistake. I was actually a somewhat late adopter of YouTube. I went on a cruise and it was just a basic cruise ship, posted a video, and I wanted to share the video with friends and family, but video files are big, so how could I share that? Well, YouTube was a free mechanism for sharing video with others. So when I posted that video, my intent was just to simply share it with friends and family. Hey, here's a cruise ship we went on. It was pretty cool. Here's some video clips. Film those clips with a really cheap camera, poor audio quality, edited it on the basic computer. I didn't have really any gear because I didn't need the gear. I didn't realize that YouTube was an opportunity at that point in time. But Google contacted me. Google sent me an email and they said, to summarize, they said, would you like to become a YouTube partner? And normally I would ignore an email such as that because I would feel that it was likely spam. But since it came from Google, I looked at it, stepped away and got a glass of water and came back, and I'm like, I need to read this. So I read it. That video, the cruise ship video that Google found, prompted them to invite me to become a YouTube partner. At that point in time, YouTube partner was by invitation only. And if you're not familiar with what YouTube partner program is, I'll explain that within the workshop as well. But basically, it enables eligible content creators to monetize eligible videos. So in short, it's a way to make some money by posting videos. So that created the addiction, and from that point forward, well, you've got what you see today, IrixGuy's Adventure Channel. At this point in time, today is the, let's see, what is today? It's January the 3rd of 2020. And currently, I've got over 50 million video views and a little bit over 71,000 subscribers. I know there's larger YouTube channels out there, but it's been an exciting journey so far. I've got a lot of work to do. I mean, this is small. I want to create a large YouTube channel. But while I do that, I want to share the lessons learned with y'all so that y'all may be able to jumpstart your own success story. And again, it's fun. It's something I've continued to learn as I go, and I'm still learning every day. But I want to package those educational tidbits within workshops. So stay tuned and subscribe to my channel because I'll keep everyone updated. I'll let you know when the first workshop will occur. It's free to attend. There's no reason to have to pay anything. If you choose to support my channel, you can. I accept support by way of Patreon, and also during the live events, you can choose to super chat. But simply subscribe, ring that bell icon, and that puts a smile on my face. So thanks for your viewership. Stay tuned. It's going to be a lot of fun, and I can't wait to receive and respond to your questions. Y'all have a good day. Hey y'all, IrixGuy here. I hope you enjoyed this workshop. If you did, please feel free to support my channel. I'm an independent YouTuber, and that helps a lot. Again, it's not required, but if you choose to do so, expand this video's description and then click the link there and you can find out how to support my channel. Also, be sure to subscribe to my channel, youtube.com/IrixGuy, and ring that bell icon when you do to be notified whenever I post another video. And you can also go to IrixGuy.com to find all the other workshop videos too. Y'all have a good day.